Yeah, again, a frequent question. Do you buy your buttercream or do you make it yourself?
I make my own buttercream for.
By the bucket load.
I make my own for my cakes. Comes out better. I think it's because of the preservatives usually that they put in when they manufacture. The one we carry at the store is pretty good, but it's still like a little bit, I think a little stiffer than when you make it. That's right.
Yep.
That's what I said. I'm going to do 1 or 2 here, and then I'm going to add, I think, a couple black ones. Just to give it something, something, little something, something. Yeah? Little something, something. Huh?
Quick question, how long can this cake sit out?
How long can it sit out?
Yep.
Depends on how firm your cake is. You know, if you're just doing a regular cake, like I said, you could do. You want to chill it, but it could sit, I probably wouldn't have it out like more than 5 hours if I didn't have to.
Yeah.
You know, just, I like to keep it all nice and chilled. So we don't have any, you know, sinkage or anything.
Yep.
You know, I mean, as far as safety-wise, it just depends what, you know, filling you have in there. It's not an issue. I just like to keep it firm. So, and that kind of is a temperature question too. You know, it just depends how hot or cold it is. Okay, so just a couple of black ones, and then the diploma. And you would put these all around the board, even on the back. So to attach these to the board, I'm just saving time by not doing it, but you would just take a little water, pop a little water there, like underneath, like that, and just press them on. You could even use a little dot of buttercream if you wanted to do that. That would be fine too.
We usually take a little bit of time after the project is actually finished before we name it.
No.
But you know what?
I don't have that kind of time.
I don't have that kind of time. Okay.
So I'm just going to roll
Okay.
and do maybe a longer one here.
Yeah.
So I just want this
Yeah.
to actually kind of go behind here. Is that too small? Is that too small, you guys?
A little bit.
Yeah, it needs to be
Just a tad.
fatter.
Just a little bit.
Uh-oh. He won't let
won't-
go of
he
his
won't let
diploma.
go.
He's like,
No,
maybe
it's
I won't get it
mine.
back.
He had to go. Took 4 years for that. It's not letting that go.
At least 4.
That's
Right,
right.
these days? You hope they make it in 4, right? Woo! There we go. Speedy like lightning. I'll go this way this time. Pushing down a little more in the center. Voila. There we go. Peel that back. Woo! It's looking good. Go ahead. Here you go, buddy. Oh, now it doesn't fit in there. There you go. Here you go, little guy. You can have it back. So I can't get in there with my fingers, so I'm going to use this tool and kind of push it down in there. And then I want it to stay up like that. So some water behind here. And take the inside of the brush and kind of push it on there so I don't squish the whole thing. And then should have a little bit of a cord around there. What I'll do is just take a little of this white and roll this out. Okay, twist it. And water. And this is just going to go inside here. I'll kind of just tuck this in so you just see kind of part of it. Okay, back to our gold here. And the lemon. And we'll do a little gold on that. Okay, that, and then I said I was going to do the gold here, right? So I'm just going to roughly go over that. And on this side. solid, then you can see the grooves a little bit more, like that.